Imagine walking into an office that feels more like a high-tech haven than a traditional workspace. The first thing that strikes you is the seamless integration of smart technology. Number one on the list is the smart thermostat. It learns your preferences, adjusting the temperature automatically based on occupancy and time of day. No more fighting over the AC settings. It creates a comfortable environment for everyone, optimizing energy use and saving costs. Next, we have smart lighting systems. These aren't just about turning on and off. They adapt to natural light levels, ensuring that the workspace is always perfectly lit. Imagine a system that knows when you're in a meeting and dims the lights accordingly, or brightens up when you need to focus. It's all about creating the right atmosphere to boost productivity. Then there's the smart desk. This isn't just a piece of furniture, it's a hub of productivity. With built-in wireless charging, adjustable heights for standing or sitting, and even reminders to take breaks, it's designed to enhance your work experience. You can customize your workspace to fit your needs, making it not just functional, but also comfortable. Fourth on the list is the virtual assistant. Picture having an AI that manages your calendar, sets reminders, and even helps with research. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always ready to help you juggle tasks and streamline your day. Finally, we can't forget about smart security systems. With facial recognition and remote monitoring, you can ensure that your office is secure, even when you're not there. It's peace of mind in a world where security is paramount. These solutions don't just make work easier, they transform the entire experience, making it smarter, safer, and more efficient.